To understand how the game works and operates in Photon, you will need to understand how the player avatar works. The player avatar is inside Resources, Photon Prefabs, and you can open it by double click. When checking the player avatar, you will see that has an avatar setup that will be called whenever the game starts. Then player health that will contain the health of each of the players and will be managing all the information regarding the end of the game and how the canvas which contains the information of the scores is updated. And finally, we have an Oculus Follower. The Oculus Follower is going to set the information from the model to the information of the Oculus Rift or Oculus Quest, and is going to manage the position of the avatars. The structure of the player avatar has a main player and inside a head. The main player is the body of the player and the main head is the cube that contains the head. So for example, if you want to add some personal assets to your game and modify the head, it's here where you have to do it. If we go down, we'll see the weapons container. The weapons container has weapon 1 and weapon 2. This will be the primary weapon and the secondary weapon. If you want to change the weapons, just go ahead and edit these two game objects. Finally, inside the player avatar we have the Ovr Player Controller, which contains the two grabbable hands with its animations. If you go inside the tracking space of the Ovr camera rig center eye anchor, you will see that we have the HUD. The HUD is going to display all the information of the player during the gameplay. The HUD contains different elements that have a special material, which is going to avoid the depth of the rendering in the shader. This material is a special material you need in order to show the canvas in virtual reality. This player avatar game object is instantiated using a script which is located in Photon Room. If you open this script, you will see that in line 267 you will see that in these lines we are calling the Photon Prefabs player avatar. So this is how we can change our avatar easily. Let's see an example. Let's add a special object on the head. Go to the Ovr camera rig, close everything, and go to the player's head. And here we can add a 3D object that will be a sphere. And the sphere is going to be on top of the head.